go to Google on your web browser, type in MyGov and then press enter. Click on the first result, MyGov Sign In. Sign in using your MyGov username or email. Type in your password, then press Sign In. You will then receive an SMS to your mobile with a code. Once you receive this code, type in your code and then press Next. Under Your Services, click on Centrelink. Click on My Family on the menu bar, and under Childcare, click on Temporary Financial Hardship. Once you have read and understood the criteria, select Yes to begin a new application. Select the start date assistance is required for. If you want to receive assistance for a shorter period, make sure you select that here. Click on the Add button and select the event that best applies to you and the date that this occurred. Fill in your total loss or reduction of income as a result of this event and select the appropriate frequency. Click Add, then click Next. Review your submission, then read and accept the declaration. Click Submit to complete the application process. Once you have submitted your application, this will then be assessed by the Department for Suitability. If you do have any questions, make sure you call Kids Club on 1300 543 725. You can also email our inquiries team on inquiries@kidsclubchildcare.com.au.